guys, we're here at Baguio Plaza and we're gonna make ukay-ukayol and we have special guest today, Pan, Five and a Wrap, and we are thrift lang. So, we're here at Baguio Plaza, we're gonna make ukay challenge. Before that, we're gonna show you the place and how to get there. So, just ride any jeep going to Baguio Plaza and Pan there? Yeah. No, that's good. That's where we're gonna go ukay-ukay. Okay, show.
So, where? Let's go. Okay, wait. Oh no. What the hell?
So guys, the store is in front of, or up the side of Luwakan. Sakay ng Luwakan. Yes. We're here, guys.
All the ladies on the dance floor, come do the step that keeps on wanting more.
Saglit. Okay lang. Sabihin niyo pag time sa... Tell us if it's time already.
I-update nyo pag ano.
Skirts.
Mga boots, ganun.
All you gotta do is shake it.
Guys.
Guys going wild. Everybody.
Ow. Oh, skirts.
All the ladies on the dance floor.
Ay, lepa. Wow. Hindi ka makagamit. Lucky? Pwede siya pa-beach. Sige.
Oo, medyo cute siya.
Saan ka saan?
Speedrun.
Masa isa pa mo?
Yan.
36.
Bag! Hindi pa, may kinuha na siya pero pwede pa. Bag na muna. Bag. 1 minute left. Ang laki! Saan? Where?
Yung white?
White one.
Broads. This one. Oh wait, I can't. Where? This one? Raynor? Oh my gosh, yes. Raynor. Ito daw na shoes.
Eto. Oo, yeah. Uy, Jimmy Choos.
Yan daw na shoes. Sabi ni Steph.
Sige.
Yan na lang. Yes. Okay. Guys, timer check.
Ay, sorry. Jimmy Choos.
3 seconds, okay. Time's up. Okay, guys. Nasa fitting room na po sila.
So guys, for your info, yung mga ukayan dito, yung ukayan na to is, medyo pricey siya. Medyo pricey. Wag na. So dagdag lang sa info, yung ukayan dito is, medyo pricey siya.
Actually, the same.
Medyo pricey yung mga nag-range sa'yo.
Tara.
To may mga selected pa kasi. So na mga branded talaga.
Yun yung compromise.
Minimize your expectations sa price. So yun lang.
Guys, pag naghahanap kayo ng pamprom, yun na lang.
Yeah, nag-offer din sila ng mga gown, ng mga skirts, ng dresses. Pero minsan nagsisale sila dito.
Yeah.
Para sa lalaki. Hanggang 105 yun.
Ayun oh guys, may mga tuxedo.
Accent,
Mga...
oh my god, your accent.
Hi, Steffi.
So what can you say about your outfit?
It looks very beachy.
Beachy?
Vibes.
Yeah, old
A
money.
very generational wealth.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Right. Zaldico? No. Not like that.
Forward.
Like that.
Oh, what a different footwear. Okay, are you okay, Steph?
Okay.
Okay, here we are, guys. Okay, here.
2,
1.
Reveal.
Oh! Oh, I like it. Oh! Okay.
Now, let's pick, ate. Sino?
Oh no, they're laughing, bro. Okay, guys, let's go.
We'll make bantay-bantay. Go, go.
Ladies on the dance floor, come do the step that keeps on wanting more. All you gotta do is shake it.
Ano talaga yung
Siya? Oh my God.
Oh no!
See Miss Old Money. Yeah.
Oh no, guys, we lost.
Oh no.
Oh no, what a shame.
What a shame. What a shame.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so we lost, guys.
Okay, never mind. Let's go home. Let's go home already. I don't want anymore.
Ito Christmas pa. Tingnan mo. It's versatile. It's versatile, guys. Pa-comment down below na lang kung sino, who do you think won this challenge?
We're gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, guys.
Nature garden, oh my gosh.
Nature garden? Pasak ba to? Not sure. Oh my God.
Oh, oh. That's good.
Katie can pull this off. Not sure.
Let's try.
Who's Tasha ba?
She's here.
Okay.
We're gonna lose again. Oh no. This is not us, Raynar.
Harap siya kanya, pero bagay niya yung back. Ay medyo, na sa bagay nito.
Oh.
Pero kasi yung pants.
May secret po kami. Let's try this.
Okay here in the Philippines. 15 years illegal here. Not 15, but the okay, the clothes.
Have you ever walked past a store filled with racks of clothes, bags, and shoes, all at incredibly low prices, and wondered, what exactly is this place? Well, you've probably stumbled upon an ukay-ukay. It's more than just shopping. Ukay-ukay is a way to score unique, sometimes even branded items at a fraction of their original cost. It is also a form of sustainable consumption, giving pre-loved items a new lease on life, reducing waste. Ukay-ukay is a beloved Filipino tradition of buying and selling second-hand items, mostly clothing and accessories sourced from abroad. The term comes from the Visayan word ukay, which means to dig through. And that's exactly what makes it so fun. You sift through piles of pieces to find hidden gems that suit your style. Whether you're hunting for vintage finds, everyday wear, or just looking for a fun bargain hunt, Ukay-ukay has something for everyone. Ready to start digging?
Now.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, oh no! Oh my gosh!
Bagay niya. Sino mas maganda ang fitting?
Yung theme.
Fit. Ang team namin is garden. Nature.
Oh no, guys! We lost again! Oh my gosh! Let's go home na! Ayoko na! Perfect! How about you, Kuya? Kuya? Ay! Oh, we want this round.
It's a tie. So sa next vlog na lang po namin yung showdown. Ball gown ang susunod.
From outfit po.
Grad ball outfit.
Go.
So that's all for today's vlog, ma'am. And guys, so hope you enjoyed this challenge. Huwag kalimutan, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification icon. Then enjoy. So this is Ukay Insider and signing off. Bye.